In this video, I'm going to show you how to deploy your Lovable website or any web app completely for free on Netlify. If you haven't signed up for Lovable yet, simply click on the first link in this video's description, which will redirect you to the official Lovable website. Then click on Sign Up and create an account with a completely new email to get 25 credits absolutely for free. Once you sign up, your dashboard will look like this. Simply create your first website or web app. So here's a website I've created. It's basically a gym website, and I want to deploy it on Netlify. But before that, we need to make sure our Lovable account is connected to GitHub. To do that, open your project, go to the drop-down in the top left corner, and then go to Settings. Once you're here, click on the Git option, where you'll find the option to connect your GitHub account. Before that, make sure you're logged into your GitHub account to make the process easier. So once you're here, click on GitHub, then click on Add Connection, and you'll get the option to add your account. Click on Add Account, and it will ask for permission to connect your GitHub account. Since we were already logged in, it automatically connected our Lovable account to GitHub. In your case, it might ask for permission. You simply need to allow it. All right, as you can see, our GitHub account is now available to connect, so I'll click on the Connect option right over here. As you can see, our account has been connected, and it has successfully pushed our fitness website to GitHub. If I click on View on GitHub, we'll be able to see the entire project inside our GitHub account. So these are all the code files for the fitness website we created on Lovable. Now, the next step is to sign up for your Netlify account. If you don't have one, simply create a new account. Right now, I'm on my Netlify dashboard, and now we need to deploy our project. You can either drag and drop your folder, project zip file, or an HTML file to deploy instantly, or you can import a Git repository. So you can either go to your GitHub account, click on Code, download this zip folder, and upload it right over here, or you can simply click on Import a Git repository. So I'll click on the GitHub option right over here. Now it's asking for permission to access our GitHub. So I click on Authorize. And as you can see, our GitHub account has been successfully connected to Netlify. Now it's asking for access to all of our repositories, so I'll scroll down and click on Install. Now it will have access to all of our repos. As you can see, it's showing all the projects under our GitHub repository. You can also add another GitHub account to your Netlify account. So now we need to deploy our website called Sleek Stride 123, which we created on Lovable. So it's asking for a project name, which will be used as the subdomain for Netlify. I'll enter the same name, Sleek Stride. As you can see, this particular subdomain is available on Netlify. Then scroll down, and here you've got a few options, such as the branch to deploy. We want to deploy the main branch, as well as the base directory and build command. You can simply ignore all of these options and click on Deploy Sleek Stride. Now it's deploying our website. And as you can see, it says the deployment is in progress. We just need to wait a few seconds for it to complete, after which it'll give us a link where we can view our entire website deployed using Netlify completely for free. As you can see, it says, failed during stage building site, build script returned a non-zero exit code 2. I'll click on it. We have an option to find out why it failed, so I'll click on Why did it fail? Now it's using AI to figure out the issues with our website, so it's reviewing the logs. As you can see, it's showing all the reasons our deployment failed, and it has also suggested steps to fix it. If I scroll down, we have the option to fix our deployment with the agent. So I'll select Fix with Agent and click on Run Task, and it will use AI to fix the deployment for us. As you can see, it's working on fixing the issue. Let's wait a few seconds until this process is complete. All right, so it looks like our issue has been fixed using the agent. As you can see, it says, your deploy preview is ready. If I click on this link, it takes us to our website, which has been deployed successfully on Netlify. And as you can see, this is the entire website we just created using Lovable. So that's how you can publish your website using Netlify and fix any errors that occur while deploying. So that was all. If you haven't signed up for Lovable yet, simply click on the first link in this video's description and sign up with a completely new account to get 25 credits absolutely for free. And if you want to know how to get free credits on Lovable, simply click on the video appearing on your screen.